Hi there, it's Ronnie, and today I'll show you how you can get a real result from $39 if you work not blindly, but according to my systems. The foundation of this secret strategy is just two tools: RSI and momentum. It's a simple but effective scheme that I use in my regular trades, and I've never blown my balance yet. So let's begin. And if your entries are often too early or too late, check out my Telegram. I show trades in real time, explain how to find a real profitable entry points, and give access to automatic trade copying. The format is free and it helps eliminate the mistakes that cost your balance. Every day I show new situations and closed analysis methods. The intake is limited. The link is below this video. Write to me and I will add you. So before starting to trade, I'll set up the chart. This will allow me to get entry points more accurately. I set the chart type to candlestick, time frame 1 minute. The strategy is based on the momentum and RSI indicators today. So now I will set them up. Momentum. It shows the speed of price movement. I set the period to 5. This makes the indicator very fast, showing even small changes in speed. For the style, I'll change the histogram to a line and make it light blue. Now RSI. It measures the strength of price movement. I set the period to 10. This makes the indicator react faster, showing short local reversals. For the style, I'll keep only the central boundary and make it red, and the main line light blue. Together they give the perfect combination, and now I'll show you how exactly. The trading promises to be interesting. The market is active and I'm ready to open the first trade. It'll be to the downside for $39, trade time 1 minute. I'll show you everything right now. I'll start immediately with the indicators. The momentum line just a second ago was stretching upward, showing a small pullback. But as soon as it breaks and goes down, it immediately becomes clear there is no more strength for growth. This is a direct indication that the upward impulse has ended and the market is returning to downward movement again. Next, the RSI line. Right now it's below 50. This is the zone where sellers dominate. And you can see the RSI isn't just below 50, it's also turning downward, meaning the market isn't even trying to transition into a bullish zone. This means buyers are weak and the seller remains the leading side. The candles break the level downward and continue the overall decline. So we're waiting for the trade to close and I get first $74 to the account, an excellent start. So I continue and I've already found an entry point. I'm opening to the downside for $74. Likely there will be a price decline. So the price made a small upward pullback and the momentum line rose on that too. But now you can see the most important thing, the line reaches a peak and sharply reverses downward. The market is ready to move in the main direction again, down. The RSI line was below the 50 level all this time, meaning the market remained in the zone where sellers are stronger. Here you can see the RSI made a surge upward but pulled back down again below the 50 level, going even deeper into the bearish zone. Therefore, an entry to the downside here looks logical, and this trade brings me $143 perfect. And if you're tired of guessing the price direction and finally you want to understand how things can work systematically, just check out my Telegram. There you can connect, copy trading and repeat my trades automatically without any unnecessary emotions. The link is below this video. Write to me and I will add you. So I've already found a suitable point for a trade. I'll open to the upside for $143. Momentum. The line really shot up sharply. It's not just rising a little, it literally shot up. This means the price has gained a powerful upward impulse. The RSI line reversed and confidently exited above the 50 level. That is, sellers are no longer pressing like before. The candles confirm the reversal with a powerful green candle. And the trade closes and brings me $276. Very well, let's keep going. So I trade further and open to the upside for $276. Watch. The momentum line isn't just growing, it's confidently stretching upward and updating the local maximum. It's not even trying to curve. This means buyers are pressing strongly and the impulse is only gaining speed. Now, RSI. We only look at where the line is relative to the 50 level. The RSI hasn't broken 50, but it has already confidently reversed from below and is moving toward the level. This means seller pressure has weakened and the market is starting to shift towards growth. So we're waiting for the trade to close and we get $530, just perfect. So I've found an interesting point for trading. I'll open to the upside for $530. Watch why. On momentum, you can see that the line, after a small pullback, reverses upward again quite sharply. This indicates the growth, impulse isn't broken, and the buyer is strengthening. RSI is already rising above the 50 level and holding there. This is a clear indicator that the market is transitioning to the buyer's side. The candles also show the reversal. I'm waiting for the trade to close, and I get $1,017. Yes, everything was just as I expected it to be. Alright, so this next trade will definitely be very illustrative and interesting. I'm opening to the upside for $300. The momentum line clearly reverses upward after a period of decline and growth steadily, without a sharp downward break. The strength of the movement is currently directed upward. The RSI line is below 50 level and lifting slightly, but it's not testing or breaking the 50 level. If you look at the RSI, such a trade is more of an early aggressive entry, not a confirmed reversal. So let's check. We're waiting for the trade to close and I get zero, unfortunately. Be very attentive and wait for confirmations from all indicators, not just one. Okay, so to finish, I'm ready to enter a trade to the upside for $717, and I do believe you understand why. The momentum line sharply goes upward. This is acceleration, and the indicator shows clear upward movement. The impulse is fresh and strong. The RSI line rises from below upward and crosses the 50 level, staying slightly above. So we see a change in regime. This is no longer early entry, but a normal confirmation that the strength is now on the upside. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and I get $1,377. And I'm quite satisfied with my final result. So today you saw the main thing, that you can grow steadily even from $39 if you don't guess the direction but read the market by speed and movement strength. I showed you my secrets that I use in trading with this strategy. And if you want to see such situations live and learn to work without haste and chaos, make sure you check out my Telegram because I'm pretty certain you will not regret it.